y'all. See y'all.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mommy Babs. Welcome. I appreciate you guys for coming in here. And for the ones that are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you'll be able to know whenever I make a new video. So I appreciate you guys for coming in here to visit with us. And I thank you for all the love and support. For the ones that are coming back, thank you guys so much. Welcome back. Yeah, you guys, so I wanted to make sure I come with another video, you guys, and tell you guys about how to start a YouTube channel. So there's some questions I have been receiving to asking me how do I start a YouTube channel, what I am using, and what do I do. So I'm basically going to talk to you guys about that. So just to let you guys know what I am using my computer, which is an HP computer that has like a webcam. I use that, and I also use my phone as well whenever I do like vlog videos or basically like right now. I also use like a tripod. I have the, I don't know the name of it, but it is a tripod that has like the flexible rolling things on it. I will make sure I leave everything out, leave down in the description box below so you guys can know what I'm definitely using. But the one I'm using too, the tripod I'm using, it does not come with the phone holder or the holder for your camera, so you basically have to buy that part. So usually whenever you get, if you have like a phone, you just basically use your phone thing there, or if you have your camera, you can also just screw it on. No, because with the camera it should, yeah, the camera should screw on with it, but I don't have a camera yet. I do have cameras, but I don't have cameras to do like videos. They're not good enough, they're not updated. No, we're not gonna do all that. And also make sure you guys have good lighting. The lighting is very important, so make sure you guys have good lighting. The lighting I use is basically like a desk lamp. It's one of those LED lamps that basically shines white. You want to make sure you get like a white light and not a yellow light. So make sure you have like better lighting and stuff like that. So that's what I basically use, is a desk lamp. Now they also have those ring lights. You can also use the ring lights too, but those are a little bit more expensive. But I would just basically just to kind of start off, if you're just beginning, you want to make sure you get like a desk light that shines white. Just like I said before, I had like the LED light. You can use that. And then also too, you do have some, or if you're using your phone or anything, you basically have like a flash on your camera. You can keep that on at the time to make sure that you, I don't know if you guys maybe heard that, but my alarm just went off. But yeah, so make sure you have your flash on. You can use that. And then also too, they have like these other things too, where it has that I'm also going to use is it's like a phone connector, and it has like a light on it. You can also use that. Then also have those, they have portable lights that you can also get online to also have, you can have portable lights too. So just like a phone almost, but like the size of a phone, but it'll be like a portable light. You can have that too, and it also have like a stand on the back of it too. But you don't need all that. Like I said before, you just want to keep it simple. Just like the basic things that I kind of like said about it. You don't even actually need a tripod, as long as you have something to prop your phone, your camera, or you can, like I said before, you use your desktop, laptop, or you can use a webcam, because I also have webcam. When I was streaming, I was using a webcam to stream. So use your webcam too, if you would like to. And like I said before, this is what streamers use whenever we stream like games or stream like anything that goes on. So you can definitely do that, use that too. And then also too, you guys, you want to make sure you guys stay consistent. I am not consistent like I want to, and I'm trying to get better at that. Hopefully once everything gets taken care of, if you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you guys go check out my last video so you'll be able to know exactly what is going on. And I stated out before that I was going to try to do everyday videos, so you guys can stay updated with me and also see all the things I have to offer. Yeah. Yeah, I laugh a lot. But make sure you guys go check out that video. I'm probably going to link that in here somewhere so you guys can see that. But it's basically about my schedule. But I did state that if I have anything going on with my family, because family is first to me, so anything going on with my family, I make sure I take care of that first. Sometimes I try to multitask, but sometimes with me having 3 little ones, and I mean 3 little ones, at first I used to say 3 under 3, but now it's 3 under 4. About to be 3 under 5. Oh my god. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay consistent with your videos, even if you gotta basically do like 4 videos out the week, or maybe 3 videos out the week. Just pick your days, make sure you're on time, the same time that you usually be. If you're not able to do it on same time, make sure you just be on the same day that you're needing, that you're going to do. Just say, for instance, if you try to submit or do your video, post your video, maybe like once a week. Make sure you post your video that same day, once a week, so people would know when you're coming back. Or say, for instance, if you try to do it like every so often, like a certain type of Friday or a type of certain Saturday in a month, make sure you come back that next month the same way, so they'll know when that you're coming back. So, you know, you want to keep that going. But as long as you stay consistent and you know, have a plan too. Make sure you guys make a plan. Plan is very important to get started. I made me a plan, and sometimes, you know, your plan changes. So, you know, it doesn't matter. Long as you stick to something solid, you'll be able to succeed with your channel. Another thing too, I find that is very important, which I'm starting to do, is also get into social media. Make sure you guys start, you know, at least do something with your Instagram, at least do something with your Twitter. You ain't got to do everything at once. You can just do one thing at a time, or you can just do one thing, either if it's Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. A lot of people use Snapchat or Instagram or Twitter, which I use my Instagram to try to reach out to you guys. So make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, which is mommy.babs. So make sure you guys do that. I'm starting something new with that, so make sure you guys check that out. But also too, I do have a Twitter, but I don't usually use it as much. What I'm finna probably start doing, so I can make sure I tweet out my videos whenever I put like a new video and stuff like that. Why is my hair doing that? I don't know. But anyways, but yeah, you guys. But it's very simple to start a channel. You just basically have to stay consistent, and also too, you don't actually have to have the editing thing. The editing thing is very important if you basically have like a lot of mess ups or something like that. A lot of people will use iMovie to edit their videos. iMovie is something that's usually on iPhones, which I don't have iPhone. I am team Android. Never had an iPhone. I only had an iPod, but not an iPhone. But yeah, so you can do that, or you can also too, Androids do have where you have like editing things. Just a few of them out there. You just basically have to pick one. We have like which one was I using before? Because I used to have another channel, TMB Gaming. It used to be TMB Fan 5, but it's TMB Gaming. We were using Video Show, something like that. So it just totally depends. Just like my computer, what I've been using, what I have like the little ending part there, or whenever I need to edit anything with the like writing or anything, it came on my computer. It's basically where it gives me the option to edit my videos whenever I make the video on my thing. It's gonna probably be a little bit different whenever I try to edit with my video from my phone. You just basically have to transfer the video over. It just take a little bit longer, but you know, there's work to this. You got to put in work just to get things done. So if you're not sorry about my nails, but if you're not into doing as much work, I would advise you probably get into this, because it's a lot of work in doing this. It's not saying that it's very difficult, but it's just basically you have to put in time just to get the time. Ooh, anyways. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to make sure I talk to you guys about. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Am I missing anything? So I said you got camera, basically phone, webcam, laptop, or camera. You can do that. Then you want to do lighting. Make sure you have some good lighting. So the lighting also, just make sure to let you guys know, the lighting also helps with the quality. Make sure, just make sure let you guys know about that. Sometimes the lighting will help with the quality if the quality is not good. But usually a lot of phones, new phones now, have like better quality. That's the main reason I switched from my computer to my phone. I put them right beside each other and I was like, which one is better? And I was like, I know which one is really better, but you know, which one, you know, stands more out to me. So I kind of like look at that. I always test things before I try to use it. So what's another thing? And just like I said before, make sure you guys have a plan. Make sure you guys stay consistent. What else? I'm trying to think of everything, because I don't want to be like, oh, I forgot to put this in there and stuff like that. Or if you guys have some things that you guys want to add to what I just said, make sure you guys put in the comments, so it will help out with all of us. So we are a community here, we are fam. Like I always say, Baz fam, welcome to the Baz fam. You know, if you guys want to put in comments down there, if you want to help somebody out, or if you just have an idea, or you basically have a question about it, just make sure you put it in the comments down below, so we'll be able to answer it and also be able to help you out, or you'll be able to also help someone else out. So make sure you guys do that. If you like the video, if you like what I'm saying, if you think you agree with me, you think that I'm doing a good job, make sure you guys like the video, because I really appreciate it. I just want to kind of like know, you know, I like to hear that feedback or see that feedback. So make sure you guys do that. And also too, don't forget to share this video if you guys want to share this video with anyone that basically wants to start YouTube, or you feel that that person needs to start YouTube. There's a lot of people I be wanting to say you should do YouTube, because a lot of people have a lot of great ideas, even the quiet ones. I was the quiet one, and I'm trying my best to come back, you know, caca. But yeah, so make sure you guys share this video with everyone, so let people know how easy it is to really start a YouTube. It just basically, you have to take that time and put in that work just to really get it started. But it's really easy for you to do it. So make sure you guys share this video with someone that you feel that do a good job with YouTube, and or if you just feel like they just need to kind of release something out, make sure you guys you know, share that video with them too. Like I stated before, if you're new, if you haven't subscribed already yet, make sure you guys subscribe too, so you'll be able to be a part of the Baz fam. And also make sure you guys hit that notification bell. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be able to also know when I post my videos, because YouTube is set up to where, well, you all know there's a lot of videos out in YouTube, and if you don't have your notification bell on, you're not gonna get notification that I'm basically on here, because I'm a small channel. Small channels really don't get seen as much unless you're basically putting out good content, and also more content, because YouTube wants you to put out more videos and stuff like that. So you basically have to put the notification on, click the little bell. If you don't know what it looks like, it's right beside the subscribe button. It's on the right side usually, just so it depends on if you're on the phone or computer or whatever, but it's over there. Look for a bell. That's all you gotta do. Click on that bell. As long as it have like some little symbols on the outside, like it's ringing a bell, then you basically did the right thing. But yeah, make sure you guys click that bell so you'll be able to get notifications when I set up my, or get my new videos out. And I'm so sorry again, you guys. I like I said before in my last video, we basically had a lot going on recently. Make sure you guys check out that last video. And I appreciate you guys for being so patient and coming back to hang out with me, to see my content. I really appreciate it. For the ones that have been commenting, they've been sending emails, that send out love, support, I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the ones that are basically coming, they went to my Instagram. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for that love and support. We reached 100. Whoop whoop. But yeah, you guys, so I really appreciate you guys for coming to hang out with me, and I thank you guys so much, and I love you guys. And don't forget, like I said before, like I always say, love, peace, and laughter is very important. Make sure you guys share this with everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.